Chad. Good morning. Long time no see. I still ain't found a lever for this. If you watching this, drop me a link if you know something, or the whole perch. 03 KX125. Still have not found anything to fit. And I don't want to buy a whole new one, but if I have to, I will. But wow, that's what we taking out today. Mind you, it's like 30 degrees. Right now. But this is where I'm going, Jackson, Kentucky. And by the time I get there, it'll be like 50 degrees. So hopefully my hands don't freeze off. But yeah, I'm taking a 450. Meeting up with my guys. If you watch the channel, to my country boys. They're a lot younger than me too. But you're about to see a difficult time because I don't have nobody here to help me load this. And with the ATV, all I have to do is ride that joint up. It's just me. So, yeah. I think I'll be back in a minute. I'm about to call my boy Cam and see if he didn't answer. So continue with the program. Good news, we made it. Bad news, they're going all the way up there.
I gotta get my car to get something out. Hold on, you gonna have to write. That big stud tire just lug up.
Yeah. His ass.
Hold on, let's finish. Get back up here. Let's finish this little hill now. I got the path. Dude, I keep getting to the top of this all the time.
Look how steep that hill is. Oh my goodness. See this? My fucking GoPro died. Sucks. Beautiful. You got to extend it too. Oh shit.
Who second one done that? Other than the fucking second field.
as fuck. I hope I got that.
You better stay to that side when you go up it.
Huh?
You better stay to that side they hitting. Don't hit this part right there.
You think I'm going up that?
You gonna hit it?
For real? Me?
Yeah.
Fuck no. If I had, listen, if I'm an ATV guy,
I'm coming on.
if I had ATV, I wouldn't give a fuck to try none of this.
I'm afraid to destroy my. I wouldn't mind to hit this part. It's just that this right here. No.
I'm coming on the CR 125.
I want this box destroyed.
Well, that was wicked right there.
They can handle
Complete
it.
fucking backflip.
Look at the ditch.
Hang up in this motherfucker.
It's all ice.
Yeah, that was a complete backflip. That was,
Fucking Monkey remix.
that was killer right there.
You video.
Yeah.
What's your YouTube channel? Or did you tweet it?
YouTube.
I'll have to check you
You
out.
do a lot of it.
Nah, whenever I can, whenever I come riding or
We can
something.
put music on it so they don't hear your audio.
Nah, fuck this. I give it to them raw. Yeah,
Yeah, I'll have to check that for you.
yeah. I mean, this will be up there today. I mean, maybe tomorrow. I'm a, huh?
What is your YouTube?
Mr. Nobody, CJM.
Yeah, I'll definitely have to check it out. I'll get you all subscribers. I used to have, I think it was 1K. I used to play like the games a lot, top 500 on it.
On what?
Apex.
Apex?
I was a
Man.
I was a giving man. I had 72,000 kills.
Why, you stopped playing?
Yeah, his ass. The game went straight downhill since season 7.
Yeah. You talking to me or the other one?
You gonna climb it?
Fuck no.
Hey, thank you, Cam.
What?
You just broke this roof.
Did I?
I'm not video on that race actually. We'll see how bad it is.
Yours?
Let me hit it on that side.
Well, that was shoulder day right there.
Think about it.
You won't see it. You won't see it up there.
I don't know. Right here? Straight up right here? You would. There, I feel like you ain't.
I don't know if I.
You sure if I don't?
Oh, you've been dead straight.
Hey, tripping. Talking about, or am I going to hit this? Tripping.
They need to sign him up for some freestyle. Wait, I gotta get back in the truck, you retard.
It's definitely slick. I'll get a loose right there. Big rock right there. Most probably none of them have anybody there.
Start it back, take off.
Drop it back at first, take off from there. What do you have for
Fucking cinder. Ooh, fuck.
Let me help you get that out right there. Watch that tree. I'll hit the back end.
Nice save.
They get a time to who will ride.
Huh? This boy right here is so badass. My GoPro died. Hey, I thought you was about to climb that thing.
I can stay to the
Yeah.